Hey, you're not having selling trouble at the front counter. You're having a problem explaining a repair to a customer. We're going to talk about this next.
This video is sponsored by Manager SE from Mitchell 1, industry-leading management software to increase shop efficiency from estimate to invoice. For more information and a free demo, visit mitchell1.com.
A very wise inventor of undercar service equipment once told me that if you're not able to explain the repair to the customer, the best equipment, the best tools, the best training are all for naught, because chances are that customer is not going to buy that service because you cannot explain it at the front counter. You've got to make sure that you're confident in telling the customer what you're selling them and also know what you're selling them. So, for service writers and shop owners, invest in training for the front counter. Make sure that the next time a vehicle comes in for an alignment, a brake job, you're able to properly explain the job to the customer. Yes, sales are important, but offering tangible value to the customer that they understand the state of their vehicle and what they need is even more important in some cases. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.